Yes, we are going squishy hunting at the Dollar Tree. So,
We're gonna hit up like 2 or 3.
yeah, because we need to cross our fingers that we maybe find the butter squishy, the cheese squishy.
Square, they have a bear.
Ooh, I really want those. I hope there's like, I don't know, maybe. I'm hoping that
Let it go
there's.
to, or should I put voicemail?
Let's hope that we actually find Tabas squishies, but I doubt.
The
Like,
person you're trying to reach
doubt.
is not available. At the tone,
But yeah.
please record your message.
Okay.
But okay.